Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to uninstall the KB5077181 update on Windows 11. If this update is causing issues on your PC, just follow along and I'll guide you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click on Windows Update from the left-hand side. Now, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Update History page until you see Uninstall Updates. Click on it. A new window will open showing a list of recently installed updates. Now, locate KB5077181 in the list. Once you find it, click on Uninstall next to the update. It will ask you to confirm, click Uninstall again. Windows will now begin removing the update along with its related information. Wait for the process to complete. Once the uninstall process finishes, you'll need to restart your computer to complete the removal. Go ahead and restart your PC. And that's it. That's how you uninstall the KB5077181 update on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.